In a bustling village of ancient India, a young man named Ananda lived. Known for his kind heart and gentle demeanor, Ananda was a figure of calm exterior. However, this exterior hid a tumultuous inner world, rife with the worries and anxieties of everyday life. Peace eluded him. Wandering one day through the village, Ananda crossed paths with a group of monks. Their serene countenances and tranquil presence piqued his curiosity. He asked them, "How do you find such peace in a world filled with chaos and uncertainty?" The eldest monk, with a kind smile, replied, "We have found peace through the teachings of the Buddha, who showed us the way to liberation from suffering. Would you like to learn more?" A spark of hope ignited in Ananda. He eagerly accepted their offer, and the monks welcomed him into their monastery. So began Ananda's journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. He spent days, weeks, and then months practicing meditation, mindfulness, and compassion under the monks' guidance. Gradually, he untangled the knots of his mind, finding clarity and insight in the depths of his being. One evening, under the sprawling branches of a Bodhi tree, Ananda experienced a moment of profound awakening. He understood the true nature of existence, the impermanence of all things, the interconnectedness of life, and the boundless potential for peace and liberation within us all. This realization lifted a great weight from Ananda's shoulders. He finally understood that true peace was not something to be sought externally. It lay within, in the stillness of the present moment and the depths of one's own heart. With a heart full of gratitude and joy, Ananda returned to his village to share his newfound wisdom. He spoke of the Buddha's teachings and the path to enlightenment, inspiring others to seek solace and understanding amidst life's challenges. Ananda's journey was not easy, it was long and arduous, but he walked the path with humility, grace, and unwavering determination. He understood that true peace was not a destination, but a journey, an inward journey of self-discovery and awakening. In essence, the story of Ananda teaches us that peace is not found in the external world, but within us. It is a state of being that arises from understanding the impermanence of all things, the interconnectedness of life, and the potential for liberation within us all. It reminds us of the transformative power of self-discovery and spiritual awakening, and the importance of sharing our wisdom and experiences with others for the betterment of all.